Hello, agus fáilte hiic na seanslia, mas maith seansa ghlaciad na seanslia is mise Hugh McGilla cheada agus the mise ho tursa an tamar fad. Cé nach go ma genu ein ober Harvey. It's like go ma gear real lethargic and what you so I don't know. Sean five tugad there nach will possibly good. Other than my personal concerns, so much Mars grad, lemon kodaki, lemon courage or dúspart manchala and you weir and you could you that too.
Yeah, go mai. Wad níos fearr siad am an seachtainí seachtainí. Tá mé Jenny iirecht fanti Hugh on sort January blues sin agus bheith dearfach agus just last winter an bhí so an we hahan wajin is siúil ar an prom in mór na tra agus fáil coffee. Yeah, just le an rid a chuinál dearfa, ní to give a gurí uigna agus sort ligand an a droch smuiti sin chat shami anar. So ní to mai an seachtain shot and green ataniu couldn't be better.
Archer and Jarfact Shin, that was just ridiculous, like, power of positivity, crap of
Yeah, I heard war over look.
Yeah. Well, I can't feel like now to Shaw Fossil James O'Flaherty. James, could you remember that too?
Yeah, come on. If I was complaining, sure, play new, agus hang amach lipshit and was corded. So keep on. Nach chuise gdasfed zarafach me Áine for once agus yeah.
Well, blian nu brand nu ish nu fásta mar an seachtain seo bhí breithla Jameson.
Yeah.
On a dirt. I have to get as made as more fiacly as possible as this shot.
Yeah. Ní madam níos dí casa bralach an chorbe.
No. In fairness, no, take it me. Martaning is stand wart.
It's look like it's tá an almost massive complete amsel bralach look like tá se brutal. Nuúla go mín Áine. Nuúla blianta siar bhach ma ceile go amach cupteach beidir nolag na man nuchins. As sin fó trí lá way mór so was a churun is a dry January is churud mór de mort so mat me ge dalmach is seachtere it's a bit too late agus ní bheith in dalmach anyways ní is na pub me Áine. The January blues it got a bol galore agus sin yeah so it's just éintach dó an pel Ghaeilge. It's forcing his which are absolutely hard bar. Bhí mar gúnaí mar cinnéan an tíadach a pointe ceart gon blian chun blian eile am faoi so yeah but so you got to the pros and cons of chuig so iontach an pel but horrific le cholle rud eile gan saoil.
Ach nach sin tú gur ceartid arcar mar de bhréile mar rud a dhéanaan meanar níos fearr mar is fuail hand a meanar. Okay, take him nish tomorrow like Jeremy Misa so need se co-hulk like Neil Dover like on my knock an to wear my certs solace am the
Oh wow, jeez, this is a really earned positive push for you.
Yeah, just fun now mar up in for groom like
Solas am dorcha go ma fáte ní sinne agus ní scoda go más.
Sin a hanlaid though, surely.
Yeah. That's just like not label it le umbrella no.
Ach tá daoine na seachtaí garcha seo they're like shut up.
Oh I know. Bhí mar gona hart oberfreschen next ma like raw. Oh jeez ma fá sean an is agus ma gan se daoine tasan so na dachaí like agus jidarrám dún de chlab please is ma like okay.
Aging is a privilege.
Yeah.
Caiit arcar mar sin. Geez, am I really I'm trapping you, Noel.
Or can it is a kind of the failure the positive affirmation rodation being ding you test the contest Instagram because I had to be able to glance and
I'm such an ick. Like what's good to my Jennifer? What's for journaling?
No.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Tá sé might an inkin.
Rin me a nari I punch it. Nor when go Berlin hashima in a journal agus canima leis le I think like KRV, and let me tell you, constant crap of each crew focus station. And Yanni man actually near Arkma la ages.
Had you con the journal a Leo. Bíní le éisiad leis.
Tá hun I'll cherry pick the PC.
Yeah, I would.
Okay.
Ach tá cean an, like níimiis go mainar nach bhfuil sort like structure leis. So reinintí ní tá sin ábta notebook oscailt agus picture a scribláil nó cabbéad siad smaoitiú ar scribláil. Ní mailam sin mar caiimi se sort or does agur bheith go mar híl, so fu mi se cean goil sort like an lagan má gentas chuann sin a ceistní ort. So ní aber sin a go scríú agus sé just bhád ní séasce, so I do recommend the head plan.
Yeah, one mi se úsá as cean an ára agus bhí ceistní an chuir mar hin ach ag déan na hiice chuiche, bhí mar fór pissed off, má bhí mar just labach sin ganning freak tá arm mo journal líana. Íla go cinál like is ru donna bhí an sa déad hom bhí mar fór pissed off má bhí mar just labach an bhí am Áine más labach sí siad pí siomh agus like ina ríide like chud smúgan na lehannaí bhí just a journal. Gear le bhí mar giche fortune cookies like gur se gur like rálum be lá iontocha an jos mar like rá what is that? Bit fucking fáis, I don't know like.
Yeah, been quotes ná linspradtí ar chud den na lehannaí, yeah.
Yeah, like cad ní híns journal chud a chéile cean realistic rá just úrcín sa teachtain rá look capán be lá decent had.
It'll be meh.
Yeah. Hugh, are tú a journal at a Tom shot an nora?
An Tom shot an nuri.
With daughter gift that.
Oh, ta actually. I guess on the 9th of January.
Yeah, skrive maar kidda leemar kidda skrive toe en dan doe je wel mee hangen.
Oh no. Oh Jesus Christ, right.
A demon's Hugh and just got stuff to fly amach as a phodchraoladh go close in the hay story.
So an rud an yarnama was gur scríbma an data and what do you call it, an tam gur scríbma an ruddy shaw. So 9th of January 2:25 a.m. right?
Oh, so like so ichian 8th really.
Yeah, but it's on the 9th gur scríbma and rud.
Yeah.
Did nothing. Cleaned bathrooms, watched JoJo, shin anime, called family. Fanula, my airfer, is taking me to see Kneecap in London though. Absolutely buzzing for it. Going down to Galway again to half tempted to ask blank for a drink. Nima aber ein anim. Oh, Ian Shani's massa. That's exactly what I need. Another woman to throw into the mix. I'm getting the creative itch too though, so I need to start 2023 with a bang. Vibes are good in the house too. Late night YouTube sessions with Liam are a new highlight. Shin my housemate. Gas. Hey James.
That's also going to go by because it's equivalent and I'm sure.
Yeah.
As winning towards Corley Dutch for sure.
Yeah.
I think we'll never forget.
I think that's a Kate to switch word because they come on character there.
The man like clue hurts. Ma Thomas er mouth.
And then it nach Roche or date lesh.
Oh,
so he claimed.
Vim's got stay to America. Oh, Atlanta, huh?
Oh, what a
moving on.
So
only stay to Atlanta.
Shouldn't care. You dose. Lannan tussen sport America. That's ook eens een aanneem aan de camera ar fad.
Should I photo sport America goed doen? Yeah, like before you looks in the car, so don't you damn with like in the States, like it was that so. Oh, can that state? Montana.
Yeah.
It's the most random state America could look at the filku.
Yeah, but it could also be a dinner. Montana.
Hannah.
Well, actually, go there. Oh, Hannah Montana. Yeah, sorry, shouldn't I?
Montana Brown. Have you Love Island fado?
Obviously, sorry. Of course, yeah, exactly. Tá James or Kane the dingy via Love Island. Yeah. So shouldn't rather be Tarlo Mahils if we nam Sean Airy. We shouldn't fairly tame actually. If you put in these masses, these or Shaw. Agus no mahoney chinadale more. That was a real trust exercise in Chin.
Yeah,
on the Mahane, like to be like the sort of come group my enrod raw hulk.
Toma instinct can you go in the cartwheels, Mel. Kifo go to throw another one into the mix. Jeez.
I know Davy got around my heels, so I think if you like my canta like a landing needs my killing the masky so a circuit Davy ma actually Gary Sean wrote the Tarlian agus to those Fiji, you know, to just kill the well not to single those Fiji Shul Heart a Gary killed Trial a bunch of the different shot literally VJ gohan so
yeah.
Gléim daoine an quarter life crisis ar an tám seo dar síl agus dunar bí má is a lorm leis dúrann siad le bhfuil siad do mothú díra mar an gcéine.
Walter. Tá mis a bhádos cinna le.
Shot third quarter life shot final quarter shot game 6 life
Mission 28
Mission 28 is that
Tá mis a home stretch in Islanda. Tá mis na críoch fheiceáil. By God, te ban agus
agus ag teacht go gas de fós.
Tá. Be time aga hís a rudi go bod dead in is mé on.
Oh by dad be. Céad fan géad bhí definitely bhí quarter life price sugam sa finam seán ar céad fan géad. Má bhád ní séhanis má ítá suaine ma híal agus ní léon gas na scandal na run the tarlú. Buíos le dia cos fecin hell.
Rálam sin na clostal.
Yeah. Bhí se grícha in an mód an focail bhí se just an maid and stuff go ra. Bé mar sin be anna girlfriends na Instagram followers in a bheith like okay.
Keep you on.
Okay, it was James. Kaimara. Shanae.
Yeah.
Ghost style
throwing
James.
another one into the mix.
Yeah. Ghost style James ma an airí faoin am seo. Sin rud a Harley. An mit níos más though, cos so tá cáilcear agamsa agus the breithla seci nálaigh. So on 25th of December sin well agus dearan daoine go sin ruí ach mar dearan daoine glánjarmar there agus go bhfuil se, you know, tá anna chotóca leis an nálaigh an dhéanana sin dearmad faoi an breithla. An bhfuil sin níos más an níos fearr cos ar leid dearan daoine rudí ar le nálaigh, but you know, beidir níos an rudí ar bhaile a bheith deanú like cad é.
Oh, look, tá mhór le bhád níos seár na lá nálaigh because ní ma a rins leis an duine is cáiliúd ar down. Jesus, you know what I'm saying?
Dwayne the Rock Johnson, Bishop Braillas again.
You know, but what's it more like? So at least law knowledge is law knowledge chulina. So you know, the chulina killer relation. At least the law I'm haying. But like, mat the raw close second. I'd say go be no law me angera. Like law him lena was even is your na over law because and a law what na go amach. Ich cím léana is gur amach cupteach a sin bhil se fósta bhreilá hééis se dóigh. You know what I'm saying?
Ach saolaí an dara lá a bhíanaar. Mar tá fiú níl fiú béile deascot mar tá sin genta lá cin bliana inar bí go bh dul máf chuine peanta tá an na marú tursa réidirrá go routine.
They just like encourage a daoine roll over more aisteach chinna. Nu a ríist.
Roll over more asta.
Nu just go amach lá cím léana ríist ag sin hééis se dóigh sé de bhreilá.
Agus déanann tú an countdown a ríis?
Yes. Countdown go do bhreilá. So like 2 countdowns 2 days.
Happy New James.
Happy New James.
Ag sin just shed ar am Michelle to go amach.
Le féach níos mó.
Yeah.
Bhí mar gurk actually never mar curs the puck through le cheala le haid the, you know, for your birthday post, James, more factor or Instagram scale. Bring my jar with feed the criminal, and I'm actually kind of missing it nish go ma kill the vi dulugum satash. Agus mar jar you don't know a good thing till it's gone, you know.
When she starts get us some laugh year and when you be real just near my soulish. Jay Harley. Jay in condition.
Oh, well, like what my girl criminal, but I'm a risk gone see law, you know.
Okay, no need to. All right, not be flax out. Okay, just because.
No, Ruth's grammar we do scale Hugh is to mission go home on different holy young to picture.
Yeah.
Like to boss coach I'm a kind of one. The feel so more I'm a kind of then on criminal and then that's baker here I'm a kind of. So he look like didn't he's my means. Like
reheals the guard
identities different like almost complain, you know.
Four faces of Flaherty. Tá sin cho fear ní even capá sin fásta. Go bhfuil de é go thom an difriúil or not de but go bhfuil cum go thom an difriúil art in ahanana le pictar.
Well, look, má tá ban bémún sin ggéir mar thuirtamach a dáta nó ggéir go lom. Gur a gcuiste má bhíonn tú lumsa is like a bheith le chead a fear difriúil because tá ngéad identities difriúil am.
Cos a bé le cear fear difriúil ní cluisi tú ó iad. And then to like lookbook. James. Then Yarna was Tissa Costa more mannequin. Veil chin gas. Then Yarna was like photo shoot lat. I guess in chin it was like the looks different of fair lat of a James.
I say go ganach trúr an leabhar sin. Ag tá perta chuir an gluach seo.
No, you're going to see an ashka like so.
Yeah, never should eat like. Come on.
The whammy as the yaddy.
Yeah.
Agus tú hain.
Sáil den nearna Virginia like there's obviously raw walnish more there's a me anarnish, but that nearna Virginia failure caharnas and it was like the the fireman.
Sexy
sexy Seansálaithe. The James the comer James nach will fu yes the smoochie shot. That's I
did. It's fuck fuck cheadví in dinning. So kin the me mhothaigh. Because what my hands anger treads for me anger because she had birthday months muds. So what would the treads chin? I what my girl can't get the sour come off my land of that skimpy, you know what I'm saying?
Actually the leg skimpy.
And like yeah. It just feel wearing like situation Jake I'm sure is much of a glaze this nice the 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 firefighters na
law park
sexy Santa meaning
sexy Easter bunny
sexy name breed
no then you're the mudge and photo shoot Gira Kierna and you're the mudge just a club at go home on nacht like it's a literally shot for shot and with Kierna
just toying lumps of going who's there mare
Ní bhéid an all in sin ní smó.
Just reimagined Pork Buck Pierce, James Connolly agus
ag genú like an ag arc an trá eile.
Sexy Rebels.
Sexy Rebels áú stat. Tá like le Gary gan a bheith country seo ach tá go fáil farga faoi an rud sin a bhí RT hín seachtainí faoi an Ghaeilge agus má just whole fucking do hen an córa seo.
Yeah.
Which is not the random kid of beyond because you ran them at RTE because you know it's TG Card and saying social media my banner.
That's a good thing in TG Carg's RT stuff like hella.
Actually just ura chlugs a law gachar a law ag sin an nocht. Sní bhí mai even brenner nocht.
Well, sinna fáin that what is a good jeta country. An rud Tarlíonn agus Tarlíonn seo agus test go cinú Tarlíonn seo. It's tá an del ar brisú. So níl an rialtas arás go dtíon seachtainí da míanar agus ahanana le uair hagan duine an there agus dearan siad gur chearting an gaiide go chaid más na scáilta agus tá just cho dú hen an córa seo mar tá se a gcónaí. It's like an argáin cearna ahanana le uair and the dingy cearna ag ran the ruddy cearna agus sin just change our huileéis. And then Tyler rudding at that fan go back in again like tree shafting ela or could be a tag ma and scanning or la knee cap because sin like an scanning guide get sin budget is mo kike agus be having like shot doc ratchet go just blah tack it and guide correction whatever.
And tan Ghaeilge bio reach that is slánithe go homlet cos le Paul mescal an ag na Baptist. It's like happen with Sálaithe and Changi Sálaithe just ag Paul leis hain, ní gadín beber if you were to be.
But it's in rod cearna ahanana le uair agus tá just like tá ré leis sinna rud no rud bhí sé a ré faoi like in and out of 2023 like rudí tá torchling go fií ceair agus rudí tá fágal ar go whatever ag fheiceáil an argáin sin way back.
Yeah. Bhí cuinte anhaid ag Carl den pod Kieran ar scéalta seci agus is rud é gan an bearlóirí go mór na the Irish language was shoved down our throats. So she cé go granar sa sé gohfuil daoine rá sin sa teanga gur actually a bhí brúte seahanan as gur chuir daoine gur chuir breúir an bearla a Lord agus idirrá sin faoin Ghaeilge. Agus tá sé có aggressive sílam sin ará just míallar gnéana múntrí iirecht Ghaeilge a Lord. Yeah, okay, níl sé a múnú sa dóigh is fearr ach ní gá dúine sin na chlosisteil a an chuig bhomate. Anor gan sin tú the gunnig or Ghaeilge and she'd it's the way it's taught for me. I'm like, and you want me to single-handedly fix that? Like
Jenny Misha and Rod. Jenny Misha and Ejahas. Mooney Mission Chang. Mooney Mission Chang that is mission thing at Hone Anu. Well whole Misha James Gurs full lots and Gaelic, so she knows the whole mission.
I do bet the anything I should just go mad. Cat on a gat.
Oh, sin có simil. Ogur maigid. Yeah, already.
Wow.
Is topic really that either seo ach immo instinct tá fós an failures in go amach ra mhothaigh faoi Countess Markovich Park Papers agus Thomas Clark just sexy new rebels failure in Ghaeilge agus I think leis sin a bháin go moch an bua ang ed on chorá.
Tá rós acusan nach ró dingi gar Lord in Ghaeilge agus mujinge go homa nocht gléis de Swiss Mariets and then céin fa or the dingi sin bus. Why nips out on Ghaeilge sin the free the changa sin rod tam holler pen dá mo chun seo víniu nes dá ein basti hori and it was like there's the good cartage the nip salamat on Ghaeilge like, yeah
that's Ghaeilge sexy.
That's sexy.
Rud the big and kush. There's some tanga.
Ein rod don kush. Ein rod. Actually,
hey, want to begin repopulation in that Ghaeilge? All sperm donor job.
Oh, hold on a second. Not have yet. Not her mission Steve and a herb like shot. 1 second. Hold on a second. Hold on.
Nothing Ibrahim's genetics is that bad, really? Just
yeah, it's 300. Yeah.
Ahara doesn't well that could just took his mouth last Ghaeilge. That's
Sinead Dye and O'Brienshaw. Yeah, it's gone on. Chakosla Ainaha, just like good times. I guess Tessaku, good nether her, Ken Dye, Ken Changle of Lorch. Come on. Taking muching a Ken Dye or Brian Pashti. The Áine is like you're like disgusted.
Like you didn't shite in Chatma has the veil or to swear to God.
Hey, curting a cash arms or wank snubber. We should like Anwil's Skagger good. Like, do you have a filter? Like, isn't like and will ein rod either Shaw Gashaw, either like McKinley agus Mavel.
Dílim gur sin an aiblis an turgain. Ní sweetin with Saltburn would.
Vi met hier go me al. In chips, ik gap and chips give me to bequemer with kin Scotty is about by accident.
No, stir me.
Oh no, like be me gap go mas menu be ma actually raw. You know, Christian?
Oh, so
the thing is constant was there, oh, would you just fuck off? To my Gera Varosh and shot.
Okay, no, ní haar engine there. And Sean is that you ulta bitter. And Sean a couple of pianta velvet.
Well, just my bit.
Okay, need them rag darling chin.
Be my constant main car near Tama a genu ruddy bug Arthur and Chalk like
oh, bro, that's what constant main.
Lorm num hain la league shirt to make up on Malia lum hain. Kaimel on the Nagan.
Yeah, come out loud such than his grandver awesome.
I know it's random hole either. Have a good time.
I will glart and you though is to contact him that you're not getting in any intellectual conversation.
Oh,
beep.
Is that your attempt at a funny?
Yeah, or Karinish. Oh, to the mayor of Charter Kadish, and that's what she says. But yeah, Jedam Shin, but no, Tama ain't although car like no Tama Smuisha really out, and then Clusham and Rodata Ratchagum in Michan. The Harry no Tama Emilabi like Lumhain, like Jira Solar Chimley. It's like no to do like Silach, Bring Lodge, Shin or whatever. And then Capamger, Hullama, like, and then you like, you know, good thing ella, like a cancelum, but it's actually just Mr. Cancelum hin. And it's a reach. Ahawanshin, it's fairly chill.
It kind na ruddy me cearta ra.
Oh.
Waki ship na Golden Globes and Chatton Shaw. Agus an láthróir simúl a fioc siad.
Simúl.
In láthróir bhíon. Yeah, come siad.
She Joe
Coy time there, yeah.
Agus leor mé seo rud a chuúla mé tá aine go mar chalíonn an teapan as dúir tíar tá láid seo a genú jokení faoi gcuoine ón ais go bhfuil sé ionta granar ach sa chás seo ní ró sé granar. Nílas go mar scríb sé na jokení le a héin ach ní don gur leis goil bhí sin. Bhí sé just like i buintú as máslú le jokeníanú agus bhí sé có awkward cos ní ro daoine gaiirí like rinn sé joke faoi Taylor Swift is just dark sheer like poker face ach sí subta joch sa cít ní ro she's asta a bhí na morálig sa trauma just like láhar an acu like oh my god I'm not sin Austria bhí sé peanhar ag garcar.
Yeah, Tarlíonn se. I mean, like, níama chun like chur like pretending dhéanú go bíon na áradí ag na rudí sinna a gcónaí grammar, like chun smó den am tá siad sais awkward agus tá siad like just a lein scríbneoirí like packil just íon seamra a geirí iireachtaí enú.
Americani.
Yes, Americani ag déanú iireachta bheith grammar, but ag an am céir na rudí bhí scrífa ní róisiid ionta grammar. It's just, you know what, Jayton? It's costless na feckin' stand-up special sin in this like her Netflix is whatever like Ricky Gervais sandwich and whatever. Agus either just a maslu or dingy at like, you know, oh dingy Gurk Shisa or Hanavan or whatever. And it's like what like how they there or Cudge does special Ricky Gervais and Shin Hanikama and Shin Lajani. Agus like Vima literally fan of her and joke. As in like Visha just like aber ratchesy at like get the book me comforta but neuro ein like set up like whatever like the neuro ein killed rodon like the Michigan Hig so where agus budget half the shot like akal Frankie Boyle agus shouldn't like lianti hunt visha genu jokini inta conspira whatever we shouldn't dar shakan shields siga but jokini siga still gefall really darcha agus like you know if you couple joke here feel like in banrin fall blast examination whatever you really darcha agus feel like you know so to go fall in on the topic sin a flay like yeah like captain's hand like Neil Ainrod off limits sagrin it's and die and rather than and die in to though agus and die current 200 Kenneton like the kind of grammar or those where
Well, bhí sé just an sin basically just i chur oberdíní síos agus níró sé granar agus tá tú garc síos ar cheomar do gcuoine a chur beidir you know tríomhlíonn de híal acu iste I bísa rilí táta agus like má fiú sampla Cillian Murphy like níor fiú chai sé an amarbí leis an codéil den Castner bhí sé tafod Oppenheimer like chu sé rá sé go cheomar aithní hí le bhí sé có tóca don Johnscanú agus just go bonus a bhí mo gine mag faoin ads den scanán and like níor dinner bhí gaiir agus sin rinn sé comprad rilí uafasa idir Oppenheimer agus Barbie as bhí se rá you know tan Oppenheimer ionta se faoi an Manhattan Project like seachcéad nó go héin lehanachta you know rud an le mó mar sunraí as an gindirte as a Barbie just faoi scanan é faoi babog le cíocha agus so like ag le just Greta Gerwig ag cal sin like banatá in feminism a bhíú ar bhealach na ro dinnerbí ábalta riú dhéanú rimpi agus an oberchar sí stáile sin a haisbant agus an tablom an just sin Ryan Gosling is like yeah screw you like because it's got just go home lena curtini she's agus ní ro dinnerbí strom an gaiirí it was so awkward
it's kind of like just like droch rud le rá faoi actually like is scon an iontoch an like ru cean faoi Oppenheimer like mar amach faoin lengtas rudí like tá siad ag na Golden Globes le fá méall go bíon na scon an is seo tháinig amach le like tá an jokes rá fúb ach tá an idir dhéanamh bheith cinnéin fábharach gun gunscon an agus rud a hasan siad chób in áit bheith just idir chuir síos like sinna rud cinál chunig me ráit an coachin agus you like Kiered like Ronaldo a gara cricket of an audience and everything is like because sin just brutal.
And get this massive then bhí sé ag go leiscéil kind of a go leiscéil faoin jokes like you're actually like oh I only wrote half of these or come on guys come on that's funny no it's so bad.
Rud is seo chunig me na Golden Globes na on an óráid a thug Cillian Murphy má dúirte le gatainine go háirdachas in na nominees look fiú mórhfuil tú éidirnach. Bhí mar like, oh,
And Dorche is legends of Ligship, and I was like, that was the most cork thing to come out.
Yeah,
Like the
you were like-
Golden Globes are real.
chef's kiss fiú mór éidirnach trí éidirnach nominated.
Yeah, but my co-bro do that sin. Agus an tú an lipstick like ar Áine Murphy ó bands an gé fócu. Bhí sé cos le nádí nó they can be like just circle dear girls. Sé go cute.
He's just like me for real, Marger.
Agus an bhhaach bin rud faoi Jennifer Lawrence on was that on lip reading like if I don't win I'm
I'm leaving. Agus sin ruí Emma Stone, like doesn't she like a scratty
yeah
like
yeah
Tá Jay bhín agla sin é le Stephen Colbert agus just something she had. She's like, oh, by the way, like she cancelled like Nat agus Nias like whatever, and she was like, hey, by the way, Auntie's drunk. Is like be like, yeah, by the way, Tema alta feel her. Agus mé gin sin na skillty seo.
Oh, actually, Canella, a dúirt mo gine faoi a dúirt le Barry Keoghan was so bad. Like, náirí sé Barry níalar. So, is Saltburn tá an senior, you know, Neil A.D. or B or Barry, agus tá sé Douse a Heart, Haig Murder on the Dance Floor. Scene
Banger.
ínta, like, absolutely brilliant.
yeah beidir go raw
Yeah,
Not the thing.
but
Gary,
not just
Barry,
on
I
the
can't
oaks scene, like, it's full of crack, like, tá
Yeah.
orange in a rash.
crack is the operative word.
Literally, shouldn't have case shot. But McGuinn, they're say, call Barry Keoghan, call say, where are you seated, Barry? And then they're say, where's your penis seated? Can't see when you're hashing.
I thought it was
Yeah.
Ceim se go bud bravian
Bud-
Barry
Bod bre body bug so gunne. Nach
Sinead.
agus bulle boss da bod Barry.
What gur cheart ó bheith broú las?
agus bhí tuairt brod go muinte na héing
Seachas le tongue twister as Gaelic. Bod bre Barry bug.
Broú.
Bradul.
nó ach bhe me Saltburn le hána agus mó
Mar
permanent state na
Yeah. Bí tú
Sure.
leis labí le de hula dritse and then smuitin tú siar ar cean na scenes, it's osclaín de hula like, wait, ar hardí sin?
Like in Russian actually or Muscalan.
Yeah. Manic. I mean, sé ínta, but crackáilte.
Yeah, Kahima Urker. To my size scary Urker is to my size gan Urker, like to my just kind of like, you know, tasn't ner to a handing Lord Fiscan and moin shot
Mhm.
goal shot feki good hana. So I'm kind of like, and can I be arsed like le eich
No, is fiú é eáil ní me í nómar ranis mar dearan go goúir chlostí agus tanna hen mar tá sé just ahanat fi lethir.
Oh yeah.
ní me gé an plot a le gohir a hiúldit ach just deir me gon na characterínta agus an chuid den astracht is fear tá feici gom le tamil ínta fada, honest to God.
Bearing Shansley a movie club anu budger. Bearing yeah.
Just made you ínta.
Gurker scanna heile. Oh my god, they're running much scan on a wine grower and thing and Birch Ella chavad Riven Ced Claire Ella.
Agus na hééis story.
Agus na history, especially in history. Galler agus in the Linda or Gurk in the scan and faster. Well, do you know what? Fine with Shingajin and Ced Ágrán Ella. Gaji and chatting shugging. Gurmil Moise look to get us in Seansálaithe a reach to get much amsh the man host to how much our Seansálaithe or Instagram, Seansálaithe or Twitter, agus Seansálaithe or YouTube. Like how good Áine so exactly live reaction James Higgins Scan and Saltburn just visualis again just to pop on as kids again. Matt the Gary and you amsh the man hosted that's more anywhere Instagram anywhere Twitter agus anywhere or TikTok as the Gary James amsh the man hosted this more flower tach or Twitter flower tach or Instagram agus flower tach or TikTok agus na Janigi Jarmid Brechla Hannah Rawa Lesh that ain't thing a her voice note Hig James Labre a hundred ditch is the on you to I don't know you to shout out in my journal or anything I guess but the game I'm sure or the man hosted the Mar Hugh Carr here or Twitter Hugh Carr or Instagram I could just grab Hugh Carr or TikTok well in Rodella go game a flogal solar Kermit cherry listen fod
just last moisturizer ceannacht
yeah Hegel me echo yeah that's the just stat I do stat
Ig lumsa zata dolas Botox aildir me.
Oh, Yoga, get that chocolate Botox.
Yummy.
Chocolate Botox.
Inject me.
Right, Sean, right. When you saw the Jerry Shartiga, agus bim dras chatting le Eagrán nuair dá na Seansálaithe. Salán.
Bye.